So today we're going to be installing the door seal panels, and these ones that I am installing, they are illuminated, which that means that I have to find somewhere in here power. When the door opens, it supplies power. When the door closes, there is no power. So what I have right now is my light sensor probe. You stick it into one of these holes, you open and close the door, and if this light turns on and off, then that means that you can use that wire to provide power. Now ground will be easy. All you have to do is find a screw or a bolt that's bolted onto the actual frame of the car, and that would actually provide you with the grounding power. Push on it, and I could tell that this is the one that's moving right here. So this is where I'm going to try to find a wire. Maybe the red one right here is the one that's going to provide me power. So while I was digging through this wiring harnesses over here, I couldn't find one that had the on and off feature that I was looking for when you close and open the door. Now, this Rav4 comes equipped with interior lighting for the floors, for the wheel wells, not the wheel wells, the foot wells. So I found out that this plug right here has power and ground, and that I could use that as my power source for my door seals. Now, the only bad thing is from that is that it would be on and off during the day and night, and not when you open or close the doors. But seeing as it will be covered by this seal right here, I don't think the lights are going to go inside the cabin while I'm driving. So what we're going to do is we're going to route the cables, and then we're going to install the door seals. And after we do that, we're going to put the power in and see how it looks. All right, so now we put the cable in there and everything is connected. I tidied everything up, not fastened it all the way, just for testing purposes. Now we're going to connect the plugs and see what happens. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's really challenging right now. There we go. Connect it. Here it is. As you can see, it's lit up. And let's close the doors and see what happens. The rear hatch is open. All right, now let's close it again. There it is. Now the car's going to start beeping because it thinks that somebody's trying to steal it. There we go. It's off. So it's off. Now let's open the doors again. And there it turns on. So it works. So now we're going to prep the surface where we're going to be adhering the door seals, and it's going to be a thorough cleanup of this door seal area right here with some rubbing alcohol, a nice lint-free or white rag that you have, because this has the 3M sticker in the back, and we're just going to place it right here. All right, make it look good. We're gonna route this cable underneath this door seal, and it's gonna come out through here, and then we're gonna connect it. So now we have peeled a little bit of the 3M tape off. I'm gonna do the same thing on all four corners. We already have the cable routed underneath the door seal, and if you had tape, you could put some tape in between the metals and the actual cable so it doesn't shave. But this one's already has a shaving sleeve on it, so I think that's fine. If anything, I'll just fix it whenever it breaks, because I don't have tape right now. So again, we're going to fold the corners like this, and then we're going to lay it down and look up the perfect spot for it. And then we're gonna lay it all down. All right, so it's installed now. I'll be careful when you try to put this down, because that double-sided 3M tape is kind of weird. When I say kind of weird, I mean that I think that's not gonna last long on these ones. But it's on there. I mean, it's not coming off. And you see the cable went underneath the seal, and it's right here, routed it all the way to the back. So right now we have the rear one going on. We put the cable inside through here. It's routed right here. And we pulled up this panel right here, this cover, and we're gonna route it again, do the same thing we did in the front. But this one is kind of like attached here somehow. I really don't want to bend it too hard. I feel like if I keep going, it's gonna crack or bend, and I really don't want to have any loose covers in the car, you know, rattling while I'm driving. So let's do that real quick. So there you have it, installed. Now this frame right here has a bend on it, so it's curved. So this is not sitting flush on it, which is kind of weird. You can still see a little bit of the cable right there, but that's fine, because really nobody pays attention to that when they're up here. And I routed the cable through here. I pulled up on the seat and routed right underneath the seat, and it's going to go all the way up to the other side. Okay, so now here we are. We're going to grab this cable again. We're going to route it through here. I'm going to put it right underneath all this dirt and crap that I have here that I should have cleaned before I made this video, but either way, it's there. That's life. Get this little spider out of here, throw it away. All right, now we're going to route it, and we're going to do the same thing we did on the other side, but going all the way to the front on the passenger side on this for the door seals right here. Again, we're going to clean them with alcohol, prep them up, and then install. The passenger side is done, the light is working, and everything is looking good. All right, so now this is the last one right here. I already put alcohol in the wiper here, and a rag, and we're just gonna clean right here, just like that. Make sure all the dirt and all that gunk is out. All right, gotta put a little bit more right there. Just gonna use that side. Let's give it a good wipe. All right. So let's clean this panel right here. There you go. I'm gonna let it air dry for a couple seconds, and then we'll install it. Again, we're gonna do the same thing. Put the cable underneath the door seal. Adhere it to the door seal. Connect to the power cable and we'll see how it looks. This is how they come in. They come in this clear package right here. And then pull it out. There is 3M tape right there. Here's the cable, here's the cord, and that's it. They're made out of plastic. They don't feel sturdy at all. They feel like if you kick it a couple times, they're gonna break. And again, they were like 50 or 60 bucks or something like that. I really don't remember now. But we're gonna install it, and then we're gonna start getting into it right now. All right, so the seal plate, the kick plate, it's adhered. It's on there. It's not gonna go anywhere. All right. Here's the cable, as you can see, underneath the seal, the door seal. I'm gonna press the door seal down. All right, got a couple tabs. There it is. You can barely see it. Now, there's the cable right here. So you're gonna grab the electrical connector, slide it over or under, and then you're going to connect these two right here. There, you're gonna connect that like that with that one. Then you should have power on your door seal. Should be illuminated. It looks good, illuminated. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna have excess cable right here. So you're gonna want to put that away somewhere. So if you look underneath the seal right here, I can't just get this panel off. I think it feels like it's gonna crack if I pull it all the way out. So you have all this space right here. So you could, you know, put it in here, and then just thread it all the way back. And then hide it through here. See that? Just like that. Hide it all the way. Now that it's hidden, now you can clack this thing back in place. And there you go. There you have it. Yeah, it looks good, right? Lights are there, working. I mean, I wish I could have a video of it at night. I'll probably put an update on my Instagram. That way you guys can go and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account will be underneath the link. It's _Rav4 _adventure _. Go follow me on Instagram. I have 100 followers will get a free sticker. It'll be the Rav4 adventure sticker. And that's it. I guess this is it, the end. Just remember to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll keep putting updates on this Rav4 for all the crazy stuff that I'm about to do to it. It's gonna take time, but eventually we'll get there. Peace.